This tutorial is all about how to use custom DNS in Blokada. So first open Blokada and click default DNS. And you can see here your phone's default DNS is turned on. Let's try another one, which is AdGuard DNS. It will block all the ad from all over your phone. So let's turn on AdGuard DNS, go back and turn Blokada on. So it is red, which means Blokada is turned on. Go to Google Chrome and let's check some site with ads. And here is a comparison between browsing the same site with and without Blokada turned on. And you can see that all the ads is blocked on the Blokada side. So let's try another DNS. Go back to Blokada app, click on AdGuard DNS, disable AdGuard DNS, and it will turn on your default DNS. Go down and select AdGuard DNS for family. It will block all the websites with pornographic content. Turn off Blokada and turn it on again. Go to Google Chrome. Let's try some nasty sites. And as you can see, these sites are getting blocked. It is very useful if you have a children in your home. There are many other DNS servers as well, and you can try all of them separately. Download Blokada app from Google Play Store or our official website. Links in the description.